We've got a Monster Jam video game showdown between Gas Monkey Garage and Max D. They will be competing in freestyle. There will be a drag race event, and then they will finish it off with a King of the Hill battle. And at the end of the video, we will have a Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Truck surprise box. And the only way to open the box will be to crush it with a huge tire. Here we go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. Gas Monkey Garage is up first. Let's see what he can do. It looks like he's going to start with something big right off the bat. Wow, a double backflip and he lands it. That was amazing. What a way to start it off. He landed that front flip with ease. Wow, Gas Monkey Garage is not playing around. They're looking to take this competition. Yes, that was a perfect flying 360. Gas Monkey Garage is putting together a perfect freestyle run. Followed up by big time backflip. It keeps getting better and better. What an awesome freestyle run. He's going back where they started it off at to get some massive air again. Are you kidding me? An amazing double front flip. And he's going to finish it off with some donuts. That was an amazing run by Gas Monkey Garage. Let's check out some of the highlights. There was that awesome backflip, the double backflip they started it off with. The Gas Monkey Garage team definitely brought their A game today. That was an excellent run. It's time for maximum destruction. Let's see what he can do. Max D coming out strong with an amazing double flying 360. That was totally awesome. No way! Max D just did a double front flip and landed it with a front wheel stoppie. That was world final stuff right there. Amazing! Max D with a big time double backflip. Obviously, he wasn't worried too much about Gas Monkey's awesome run. He's coming out here and just bringing it. I don't think he's going to land this one. Yes, and he lands it. Comes through with another awesome double backflip. That one had more air than the last one. He's spinning back around. He wants to go back for that big time ramp. And lands a perfect front flip. The freestyle clock's running down. He's going to be looking to finish up here. That was a nice flying backflip. And he's going to finish up with some donuts. I don't know how the judges are going to score this because Gas Monkey had an excellent run and so did Max D. To me, it's a tie. But I don't know what the judges are going to say. The judges' scores are in for the freestyle part of the competition, and they scored it. Up next is our drag race event. The first truck to land in the water at the end of the track wins. And they're off. Max D got an awesome start. But here comes Gas Monkey Garage. Oh, and Max D crashes over in the Gas Monkey Garage and they lock tires. Max D is not playing nice. Gas Monkey Garage is getting some space. He's making his move. Oh, and Max D crashes back into him. Their tires are locked up again. We're getting close to the end. It's the first truck that hits the water. Oh, and it looked like Max D got it. Let's check out the replay. The replay confirms that Max D took the win in the drag race event. Up next, we've got the King of the Hill battle. We've got 2 rounds. The first truck that gets knocked off loses. They're getting lined up. This is going to be awesome. Gas Monkey Garage comes out extra aggressive. And Max D goes right up under him. I think Max D is setting something up. Oh, and what a slam by Max D. And he almost flipped over Gas Monkey Garage. And Max D takes the first round. Here's the second round. And it looks like Max D is going to use the exact same game plan here. He's spinning back around. Oh, he's got Gas Monkey Garage in a bad spot. Gas Monkey Garage can't recover. And with that win, Max D's going to be bringing home the trophy. Gas Monkey Garage had a very strong freestyle run. It was awesome. But after that, it was all Max D. Total domination. Now it's time to crush open our Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Truck Surprise Box. I can't wait to see what Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Truck we get. Let's walk over there and check it out. Check it out, we've got the Spin Master Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Let's get this thing inside and get a closer look. Check out the awesome packaging from Spin Master. They're the company that's going to be making all the Monster Jam toys now. This thing looks really awesome. Let's open it up. Check it out, it comes packaged with an awesome poster, and on back it shows some more of the Spin Master trucks that they'll be coming out with. Totally awesome. Here's Monster Mutt Dalmatian out of the box. This is the coolest Monster Mutt Dalmatian monster truck toy I have ever seen. Just check out the details. Look at the ears, it's got a tail, it even has a driver on the inside of the truck. And they package you a little mini action figure too. These things are totally awesome. Spin Master is doing an excellent job with the Monster Jam toys. Check out our freestyle arena. We're actually using some of the kinetic sand from a Spin Master Monster Jam playset. It was the Soldier Fortune set. We did a video on it, but we just wanted to show you how awesome their stuff is. Let's get in some freestyle with Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Here we go. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel.